Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the missing about tab for YouTube channels. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up YouTube, then click on whatever channel you want, and as you can see, if you scroll along near the top, it used to have a about option which you could click on. This has now been moved near the top, so it gives you a little sentence near the top and then a little arrow. So all you need to do is click on this arrow, and this will bring up the description, the links, and obviously more information about this channel, such as when they've joined and how many views in total they've got. So that's how you can find the missing about tab on YouTube. Thanks for watching.